In this video, I'm going to show you how to add, create, edit blog posts on the Wilderness Club Adventures site. So in order to begin, you'll need to log in. So you'll go to your website /wp-admin, and it'll pull up a page for you to log in. And so I created this username and password, which are in the email that I'm sending to you. And you'll just copy and paste, put all that information in there, and log in. So from here, this is the back end, and what you'll need to focus on is just over here. These are the items that you'll need to look at. So under posts, you'll click on that and you'll see all the posts that already exist. These are the titles of the posts, the authors, the categories, and the date published. And so if you do want to delete any of them, you can click trash. They'll end up in a trash folder up here, and you can bring them back or delete them permanently if you'd like. You can click edit, or you can click on the post and it will take you to the edit page, and you can edit any of the content in the blog here. And once you make any changes, you would just click update, or you can create a new post. So if you'll look at the website on the bottom, there's 3 categories for these posts, and you'll see when you create a new post, which you can either click add new here or click add new here. And we've got the space that's blank for a new post. So if you look over here to the right, you've got these 3 categories here: accommodations, family activities, great outdoors. If we want to add new categories, that can be done by clicking add new category and typing in whatever you want here. And then we can click add new category. That, I don't believe it will automatically populate on the homepage, but if it becomes such that you want an additional category on the homepage, we can get that added for you. So if that ends up being something you want, you can just let us know and we can get that going. But for now, we've got 3, and so we'll kind of stick within those 3 posts. So let's see. I don't want to do all caps. Let's say this is the title we want. So that's going to show up as the title of our post, and then I'm going to come down here. And so if you've already got your content in a Word document and you typed it up somewhere else, you can just copy and paste that information right here. But if you want to start so you can type, and then this basically functions like any word processing tool that you've used. So Microsoft Word or Pages or whatever you might use. You can bold, italicize, you can bullet a list, you can number a list, you can align it to the left, center things, right align things, and you can hyperlink it. So you would just paste your URL here, or you could type it in and then either hit enter or click apply, and it will hyperlink the highlighted text to link to an external link. Or you can click edit and change it if you need to, or this will remove that hyperlink for you. So if you want to change the size of your text or create headers, you can do that. You can do heading 2, you can make this heading 3, and then the paragraph text is the size of just the regular text, but you can use any of these others. You can add an image to your post. You can do that by either clicking select files and find your files in your folders, or you can open your folder and drag your items in here. So you would just drag it from your folder in here, or once it's already in here, you can go to Media Library, select the image you want to use, insert it into your post, and then I can click on it, and then I can either center it, align it to the left or the right. I can edit it. I can change the size of it, make it whatever I feel like is going to look best. I can link the photo to a custom URL. And then all of those posts on this homepage also have a featured image. So if you do or do not want to add a photo inside the text of the post, that's fine. But each of those probably should have a featured image, and so you'll add those in the same way. You'll just click featured image there in the bottom right-hand corner, click select featured image, and then every time you make changes, it's always good to, so I'm going to hit publish, so this post will become live. It's always good to, if you make changes, click update anytime you make a change so that you know that those changes have been saved. You can also click preview changes and it will show you what the post will look like from the perspective of somebody looking at your site. So you can see, here's my title, here's my heading 2, here's my paragraph text, my heading 3, and so that's what all that kind of looks like. So if I want to go back, continue editing this post, I can click back into the tab where this post is. This is the URL for the post. If you ever want to change this for any reason, you can change it to say something else here if you'd like. And then the final thing you'll want to make sure you put it in the right category. So let's say we want to put it in accommodations, and now it's going to show up under accommodations right here. There you go. So, like I said, if I want to delete a post, which I'm going to want to do for this post, we'll go here to trash. I can also delete it from inside the post here. Click move to trash. And now I've got a little trash folder up here at the top of this page. And I can either restore or delete it permanently. And we want to delete it permanently because we do not need that post on your site that I just created. So that's everything about blog posting. If you come up with more questions or you need help with anything, please let us know and we'll be happy to address whatever might come up. But those are the basic content parts of the blog. And I don't know that there's much else that you would need. But like I said, if you do end up needing help, please let us know.